In the early Vedic period, Varna system was based on. Answer is option A, occupation. The original founder of the manuscripts and editor of Kautilya's Arthashastra was. Answer is option C, R. Samashastri. Solar radiation received at any point of Earth is called. Answer is option B, insolation. In which year was the house of the pupil named as Lok Sabha? Answer is option A, 1954. Rainbow is formed due to. Answer is option C, dispersion and total internal reflection. The chief source of naphthalene is blank. Answer is option D, coal tar. The immunity caused by the B lymphocytes is called. Answer is option C, humoral immunity. What happens to a person who receives the wrong type of blood? Answer is option A, the RBCs agglutinate. Biological death of a patient means death of tissues of the. Answer is option D, brain. The highest percentage content of nitrogen among the commonly used nitrogenous fertilizers is embodied by. Answer is option C, urea. 1 light year is equal to. Answer is option C, 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. A long jumper runs before jumping because. Answer is option D, Huygens momentum. The Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda in the year. Answer is option B, 1897. The Indian Space Research Organization is situated in which state of India? Answer is option C, Bangalore. Which is the highest plateau of India? Answer is option A, Ladakh plateau. Among the following, who is given the credit of propagating Jainism in South India? Answer is option A, Bhadrabahu. In which rock edict Ashoka mentions about the casualties of Kalinga war and declares the renunciation of war? Answer is option D, Rock Edict 13. Which one of the following Delhi Sultan wrote his own memoir? Answer is option B, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The Urdu poet who was the representative of second and third round table conferences. Answer is option B, Muhammad Iqbal. The motion of air mass in a tornado is a. Answer is option C, forced vortex at center and free vortex outside. Twinkling of stars is on account of. Answer is option D, large distance of stars and fluctuations in the density of air. What is the surface temperature of the sun? Answer is option A, 5778 Kelvin. Light travels in optical fiber irrespective of its shape because it is a device by which signals can be transferred from one location to another. It is based on the phenomenon of. Answer is option D, total internal reflection of light. Who became the first deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer is option A, M.A. Iyengar. Who nominates the 12 members to the Rajya Sabha in India? Answer is option C, the President. Which of the following cause winter rainfall in northern India? Answer is option A, western disturbances. Indian ruler contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of England was. Answer is option B, Akbar. Which of the following does not change when light travels from one medium to another? Answer is option C, frequency. The highest number of cotton mills in India is in. Answer is option D, Mumbai. A concave lens always forms an image which is. Answer is option B, virtual and erect. Who is regarded as father of local self-government in India? Answer is option C, Lord Ripon. Which among the following is not an All India service? Answer is option A, Indian Foreign Service. Which theory is generally included under microeconomics? Answer is option D, price theory. Which of the following was the emperor of India when British East India Company was formed in London? Answer is option D, Akbar. Eco mark is given to the Indian products that are. Answer is option B, environment friendly. Which of the following act had made English as the medium of instruction in India? Answer is option C, English Education Act of 1835. Which one of the following states in India has the largest area under forest cover? Answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the fundamental rights of the members of the armed forces be specifically restricted? Answer is option D, Article 33. Who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 consecutive terms? Answer is option C, S. Radhakrishnan. Which of the following gases is responsible for greenhouse effect? Answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Which of the following animal respires but there is no respiratory organ in them? Answer is option B, earthworm. B cells and T cells are the main types of which of the following? Answer is option D, lymphocytes. Ultraviolet rays can be used in water treatment as. Answer is option C, disinfectant. What are the qualifications of a member of parliament, Lok Sabha? Answer is option D, all of the above, that are an elector of any parliamentary constituency, a citizen of India, not less than 25 years of age. Photosynthesis occurs maximum in. Answer is option B, red light. In a refrigerator, cooling is produced by. Answer is option C, the evaporation of a volatile liquid. Which blood group can be administered to a patient in emergency when his blood group is not known? Answer is option C, O negative. The Great Victorian Desert is located at. Answer is option B, Australia. Who is called the father of civil services in British India? Answer is option A, Lord Cornwallis. The metal compound commonly found in sindoor or kumkum is based on. Answer is option D, lead.